So hello guys, welcome back to the video of Tech Yoke. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix NFC not working on Samsung phone. So first of all, open the settings app on your phone. Now here tap on connections and then tap on NFC and contactless payments. Now make sure it is on. Now turn it off like this. Now wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Now once you do this should fix NFC issue. If the NFC is not working, then make sure there's nothing on the back of your phone. If there's a skin or the cover on the phone, then this can create problem with NFC. So make sure you remove them. In case the issue is still not fixed, then restart your phone. For this, press and hold the power button and volume down button like this. Now hit tap on restart and tap on restart again, and this will restart your phone. Now once your phone restarts, see if NFC works or not. So this can fix NFC not working on Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.